What we do here is go back.
In the beginning, in the beginning, yeah, in the beginning, yeah.
In the beginning, there was this guy and this guy. Then they made this thing. And then people said horses. Nah. Motorcycles. Yeah. And anyway, this guy came along and started selling these things. And then came this thing. And nowadays we have me, who basically popularized the motorcycle that we see around today. But more importantly, this is a motorcycle review. So this is a 2010 Ducati Hypermotard 1100 Evo. And as you can see here, this one has a completely customized paint job that's all black with green accenting and full carbon fiber bodywork. This is one of Ducati's top models and is supported by a 1098cc L-twin motor that pushes out 98 horsepower with 87 foot-pounds of torque. The fuel economy is not great, but better than most cars at 42 miles per gallon. This, of course, comes at the cost of only a 37 times mortality rate in case of crash. As you can see, it has a single-sided swing arm allowing for easier tire change and visibility of the wheel. It also has resemblance to a Supermoto, which is a dirt bike with sport bike tires.
Hey, who are you? Get out of my garage!
This bike has 17-inch alloy wheels with 2 piston front calipers and 1 single piston caliper in the rear. Let's go ahead and get a closer look here. Because of the upright handlebars and riding position, you're able to use more leverage while turning, allowing for steering super precise.
Hey!
As it is made in Italy, it has a very elegant and stylish overall design. This is one of the first bikes to have an LCD display for the instrument cluster. The bike also has a top speed of 120 miles per hour for those of you who like to move fast. It has a whopping 0 to 60 speed of 3.2 seconds because of what...
What the
Okay, so overall based on styling, power, and handling, I'd give this bike a